So now I've got the tyres on the wheels, I'm going to balance them. I haven't put the discs on, but the discs should be a fairly uniform weight distribution anyway, because I've given the discs a bit of a clean up and a bit of paint around the edges, so I'm going to put them on afterwards. So tools I'm going to be using for this, Stanley knife, wheel weights, the balancing stand, bit of string and some gaffer tape. Well, this is heaviest point there, lightest point here, and then take that 90 degrees and just test that again and wait until it settles, and that will be the point where I need to put some weights on. Okay, and now put a bit of string around there. You can just tape some weights on, get a bit of tape and tape them on, just to test. Right, the speed of that was turning there. I am thinking I'm going to start with 10 grams on there, see if that's enough. What I'll do is just tuck it under the string. Right, it's still turning, so that's not enough weight. So I'll put another 10 on, or a 5. I'll put another 10 on. Well, that's not moving now, so that's balanced. So I'll take these off, stick them on the inside of here, tape and put a bit of tape over them. That's wheel balanced. And then repeat this for the other 3 wheels. I'll just give them the wheel rims a bit of a clean up there to make sure they stick. Degrease, brake cleaner. Now I've got the wheels all sorted out with nice new spacers and bearings and clean, and I've got the discs on, I've got new bolts in them. I thought, right, next thing if I get the wheels completed is going to be this sprocket carrier. So this sprocket is the one from the road gearing. I'm probably never going to use that again, so I'll take that sprocket off and I'll have to give this a big clean up because that is thick with chain lube as well, and the spindle and everything. The nuts, I've got some nice stainless steel nylock ones to put on there. So I've got these beautiful M-Tech sprockets from Martin Atherton. I'll put a link to his website where you can get equivalent stuff with lots of nice kit for racing these kinds of bikes. Loads of other things I still need to do, but I'm going to have at least the wheels sorted out. So that's it. I've now given it a good clean up and wire brush, and I've got the new sprocket on. Still need the cush drive, but I'm saying that is the wheels complete. So just got the entire engine, the frame to build, clean every other component, fix the brakes. But yeah, we're getting there, one piece at a time. Mega Shed out.